Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri ka Sarkar Jylla uba kermen Jylla ula penpau dak baong mangilong ki Donbok bandon kaan Land Transfer Act ba Khang di Kibriyo Nabar ban yo Thied Jaka ka Jylla. Ula benrap dak baong ba omdon ki wipat Kibriyo na ki we ki Jylla ki ban la ban wan kam trai ka khando ka siap namar ka don kaan banira. Ula benrap dak baong ba kamlong ka babakla bandang penklanya kaan kum ka ILP ke MRSSA ngidon kam hendai kum makalong menta ngimdei ban tiang yang tak jingwan rum kita Kibriyo namar ngidon kaan banira watla kata ngihap ban pet ngor bat khanglat yaki menta banya kebangin be yaki hadin.
We are blessed to have this Land Transfer Act and the 6th schedule where if anybody from outside they would like to come and stay in our state, the most important thing for them to have is that they need a proper document, especially if it is a non-tribal. It's almost next to impossible for them to come and then capture our land because we are well protected. No doubt, we still want some more protection when it comes to ILP, RMSSA, or whatever it is protection. We do need it. But as of now, we need not fear up to that mark that since we have all this protection, especially the Land Transfer Act, so those people, I believe they cannot harm us. But still we have to be alert because unnecessarily if they enter Meghalaya and then later on we have to chase them, it doesn't look nice. It's better to protect now, but in the end we are still very much protected by our Land Transfer Act. It is Jainti Hills. The whole state, as we have mentioned from time to time, is really much needed. But whatever the protection we have, I feel with this the equipment, especially we have the officers in different level, different line department, all this is good enough for us. But still, the more the better, and whatever we have, and we have full faith in our officers, in police department and the district administration, they can protect us. And this will happen with all the people of our state join hand together, and then we work together as a team. Then nothing can stop us. Nobody can harm us. So for all these things, we have been mentioned from time to time. Influx, the loophole is that when somebody comes to our place and then they got married to our brother and sisters and all, so that is how they got a chance to enter, and that is the difficult part for us to tackle. But if all of us work together and then do not give them a chance, then that is the protection we are having as of now.